what I was telling you, whenever we are, also finding out a candle, the perfect entries, or we say the good entries, are around the moving average. Okay, if you find, let's say, a candle here, this is already, far away from moving average, so there is a possibility that you can get a stop loss. I have not still told you where the stop loss is, but let me tell you. Okay, so we look, the good entries are where, it is around the moving average, RSI is around 50, and you see a block candle. Any doubt in this?
Clear.
Clear. Similarly, if I just go to the last example we were just looking at, so in this also, if you find a candle which is around the moving average, it is good one to find. Okay, so if you look at here also, when you find a candle which is near moving average, RSI is around 50, and the slope is clear, so it is good to find. If you find a candle which is far away, it is far away from moving average, RSI already staying, from very long time above 50. So there are possibility that pullback can happen, pullback or profit booking, whatever. Okay, so the good entries are near moving average. Alright. This is another very important point. Are you guys, everybody clear with moving average, RSI, block candle? Everybody clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Right now, I'll also tell you where we keep a stop loss, and where we keep our, how we decide our target. These are also very much important. Okay. When we apply this strategy in stocks like Federal Bank, Reliance, these are all stocks. Okay. When we say options, FNO stocks are there where you can trade in options. When we say index options, Bank Nifty is there. Okay. So when we are trading in stocks, okay, listen to me carefully. This is, I think, is not there in the presentation. Okay, if I want, I'll just give a note in the group. You guys can have it. So when we are taking up a entry in stocks, look for a risk reward of 1:1.5. That is the risk reward we follow once we got an entry. Our entry is immediately after, whenever we find a good block candle getting formed around the moving average and the slope is clear, we take an entry immediately in the next candle. We don't wait much. Clear, guys? Yes.
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 So if you have spotted here, next candle, you can take the entry exactly at the close. Your stop loss is very small. Stop loss is just the low of this candle. Okay. We, in scalping, one of the most important thing is that you should get very small stop losses. Okay. And risk reward should be good. And we go and follow a risk reward of 1:1.5. Okay. If your stop loss is, let's say, the size of this candle is of how many points? High, low, open,
3
close are
points.
written here. Somebody wants to, tell what is the size of this candle?
3 points.
Okay, so if you just see open, close, or high, low, if you want to see, just it is of roughly around 3 points. Correct?
Correct.
Right, 3 points. So your target should be minimum 4.5. Before that, don't close your positions. It is not a good risk reward. Okay, so that is the risk reward we look for a good risk reward, and we try to minimize our stop loss through a very small time period of 5 minutes. Okay, so the time period is very small, so you get a very small stop loss. If your stop loss is like very big, you are getting a very big candle, so ignore it. Okay, you'll get sufficient amount of entries. The thing is, you need to take the best one.
सर ये भी तो बहुत बड़ा स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा ना, छोटे से स्टॉक में 3 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस
Right,
ना
this
तो बहुत
this
बड़ा हो
this
जाएगा.
can be also a very big stop loss. ठीक है? To look for a small stop loss, I'll just show you a few examples. You can take them as an, you can take how small the candle is, and you can take that. Okay, so the smaller the candle, the better it is. Okay, see, one more thing here I'll tell you. If I don't want to give you a number here, okay, ki just look at this particular size. You need to decide your risk management. Okay, if you see the size in 5 minutes is like 1% or so, you can ignore it till 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, or 1% also is fine. If the candle size in 5 minutes you get bigger than that, ignore it. Okay, you get good entries, different good entries you can find. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. The entry candle should always leave this moving average or it should not be attached to the moving average?
So see, this moving average should give you a clear sign that if the slope is towards up. Okay, that is fine. If it is touching the moving average, no problem. Okay.
सर क्वांटिटी कितनी लेनी चाहिए?
Quantity depends upon your capital. If your capital is, let's say, whatever is your capital, okay, based on that you decide. Don't take high leverages also. Most of the brokers give you 4x leverage. If you have 1 lakh, you can trade intraday for 4 lakhs. Roughly that is the average we are getting. Okay, so take leverage of like 1.5 of your capital in one trade, or 2 you can go. If you have like 30k, 60k ka trade you can do. If you have 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs trade you can do per trade. Okay, don't take more leverage. Once you have an experience on this, then you'll be able to plan it properly. First of all, you need to have an experience on it, right? But this is the risk management you can follow. If whatever capital you have, take the leverage of like 1.5 or 2 max.
So if I have 1 lakh, then 4 लाख का भी अगर मैं लेता हूँ तो ये 100 रुपीज का स्टॉक है, तो इसमें क्वांटिटी 5000 हो जाएगा मेरा, मतलब 5000 से भी ज्यादा. तो
if you have 1 lakh of capital, if you have 1 lakh of capital, don't go for 4x leverage. Go for 1.5 or 2x leverage.
Okay.
Okay, and accordingly you do it. If you if you are new at trading or you are not able to see, scalping is a quick technique. Okay, यहाँ पे your reflexes should be quick. Okay, and it requires certain practice also. So in starting, you can go with whatever capital you have, and then you can slowly use the leverages. And to the max, you can always follow 2x leverage. That is a good thing. And see, the strategy is good. Simply the thing is your stop loss is small, your risk reward is good, 1:1.5. So most of the time, if you are taking 3-4 trades in a day, you will be in profit. Okay, there would be days in out of 4, 3 where you will be definitely getting the profit. There would be days in 4 you will get the profit. So overall you will be in profit. So the thing is, you need to have a proper risk management. It should not be that in the first trade you have taken 2x leverage, in the next trade you have taken 4x leverage, then again you are going for a toss. So whatever risk leverage you are taking, use the same leverage in all your trades. This point you guys are understanding, right?
Right.
Correct. So whatever leverage you want to take, 1x, जितना capital है उतना इस्तेमाल करना है तो 1x लो. If you want to go take high leverage, go for 1.5 and don't change it very frequently. Okay, stick to one leverage which you feel is good for your risk management, and simply use that.
आपके हिसाब से 1 लाख रुपए का अगर मेरे पास कैपिटल है तो
Start
दिन भर
with
के
1 lakh
स्कैल्पिंग
directly. Okay, don't take leverage. Whatever cash you have, use it. Once you have good amount of practice, 1 or 2 weeks, then you can take 1.5 and go to 2x leverage. Okay.
अच्छा.
That you can do. Right.
The block candle which you have considered, what is the RSI for that block candle, and
The
what is the
RSI
importance?
for this candle is around 76.
So is that preferable to take a position there?
It is preferable. I never told, right, ki RSI value should be, if it is around 75 or so, you should ignore. I told the RSI value should be rising from the around 50 level. You see, it is rising from 50.
Should be rising. Okay.
Okay. So these are small minute things you need to consider. Okay, that's why I ask you out, so it will be clear. All right. And let me tell you one more thing. Because we are using a 5 minutes, this thing, 5 minutes time frame. If there is a strong candle in the sense block candle kind of a candle, or a size is pretty big, RSI will fluctuate. Okay. So the thing is, I've simply told RSI should be rising around from 50. After that, don't check much. Okay. Because RSI value changes very much frequently. This moving average will be
candles before this.
Yeah.
High candles for the current candle. What?
This one.
No. Right side.
This one.
Yes. So that is the entry candle. Is it matches everything?
See, if you see, look at here. Now this is the candle. So if you see the slope is downward, okay, ignore it.
Okay.
So the slope is very much important. It should have certain. It should give you a direction of your trade. Okay. Ignore it. That is the thing. Okay, so similarly, we'll just see one cell also, and then couple of examples I'll tell you. This also you have a look. Okay, so if you see here, there is an entry. We have discussed the candle like this. It has a lower shadow, which is minute, and if you see the open is almost equal to close. Open is almost equal to high. Okay, so you can consider around the moving average RSI falling from around 50. Yes, so take it. And the moving average is also giving you a downside signal. Good to spot, and you can take it. Now just let me tell you, here also there is a good candle, right? Block candle. It has a minute upper shadow, but in case it is not having a upper shadow also, this is an ideal block. In this case, ignore it. Why you should ignore?
It is far also from the.
It is
Far
first of
away
all,
from
it is
moving.
one thing is it is far from moving average. Second thing is RSI has been staying below 50 for a very, very long time. Okay, it has already, the move has happened. Okay, so these are minute things. If you consider, the accuracy will improve. The accuracy can go till 80, 85 also if you follow these small things. And these things are also in our screeners. We have applied it, so you can make the use of that also. I'll explain the screeners also, so you'll have an idea how those screeners are made. This is clear, right? This one which I just told, and this one which I told everybody.
So Kabir, in this one, right, the first entry point, the other candles are almost flat, right? So, it is taking around 30 minutes for us to come out of this short position then.
See, the first here you have taken a trade. Whatever is your risk, 1:1.5 is your target. Okay.
Okay.
So once you have got your target, then comes the trailing part, whatever you want to do. But for first target is 1:1.5 risk reward. If you have, in this case, the size is what? If you see, the size is of around 12 on right. Okay, so around is 12. So minimum 18 points. If you are getting, your target is done. After that, it's on you.
Yeah.
If you want to hold half quantity, book full profit, or trail complete quantity, keeping your stop loss at cost, that is on yours.
Yeah. So Kabir, after this candle closes, then is the time we should take our positions, right? After I have a complete understanding of this block candle, then I should be taking my position, right? After this one gets closed.
Yes. Unless until you did not have a block candle, there is no entry. Once block candle is completed, then you take it.
So, yes. Yeah. So in the immediate next candle, I'll take my position.
Yes. Immediately next candle, you will take it. Okay. No need of waiting. Okay.
Okay.
And your stop loss is simply the high. Simply see, scalping me, the one of the best part is you don't have to sit for hours first of all in front of the your system or laptop, whatever. Your concentration is completely there for like 10 to 15 minutes max to max. Okay. So you sit, you get good entries from screener, stock selection, you take that, you'll get a stop loss or you'll get the target. Okay, in next 10 to 15 minutes. 15 is also a very big time frame. Max to max in 10 minutes, you'll get whatever it is. Okay. Clear, guys?
लेकिन इसके
all the points.
ये वाली कैंडल में तो अपर शैडो दिख रहा है.
Very minute, right?
हाँ तो चलेगा, कंसीडर कर सकते हैं.
It should be very minute. ठीक है? मतलब zoom
can
करके
you
देखना
move
पड़ता है.
back to few candles, Kabir? Move back to few candles, whether the entry before. Yeah, we got it here, right?
So here also there is an entry. Okay, slope is completely downward. Slope is downward. You have an entry here, but don't consider this one because already it is staying very low, and RSI has been staying below 50 for a very long time. Okay. If you enter, also be very much cautious. Anything can happen.
Kabir ji, can you just explain the importance of RSI? I didn't understand fully on RSI.
Yeah. Okay.
I understand RSI, all the moving average, block, everything, slope, everything. Only the importance of RSI.
See, the RSI I have told you is used for understanding overbought, oversold situation. Okay. So when I say that, RSI should be around 50, it should be rising or falling. If you are on the sell side, it should be falling from around 50. That means, like, for example, you see it here, the RSI is now, going downward from around 50 level. There is a lot of room that it can, go and touch around 80, stay there and come up. So there is a lot of time with you. There is a lot of room, scope that the price can further fall. But when RSI is already, gone below, it has crossed 50 here, and after that you have found an entry somewhere here. RSI has been staying below 50 for a very long time, one thing. So move has already happened. It is already into the oversold zone. So now profit booking can happen. So it is not a perfect entry.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Similarly is the case here. RSI now was below, but now if you see here, RSI has came near to 50. Okay. It has came near to 50. It could be 40. Here it could be a situation that RSI has touched 48, 49. I am not telling you it should touch 50. It should come near to 50.
Understand.
Okay. And then again, there is a block candle, so you can consider because slope is still with you.
So this is a perfect sell position to be taken then.
This is a perfect because RSI is still not giving you amounts. Okay. Simple like that. So like that you can do. Even if you see, let me tell you one thing here. See, whenever the stock is rising or falling, okay, how it goes, I'll tell you. It will go up, it will go up, it will become sideways, or it will come down. There are two scenarios. It will become sideways. Wait a second. It will become side. This is in the trending stock. Okay? Trending stock, how we found? We find through stock selection, and the moving average will be giving you clear upside indication or downside indication. It can be sideways or it could fall down. Okay? In both these cases, the RSI will give you around 50 level. When it is sideways or when it is coming down, in both situations, you'll get RSI value around 50. Okay? If you just look at here, this price was sideways here, right? Yes?
It is sideways here.
So you got a RSI around 50. It could be a situation it is rising, then also RSI will give you around 50. Okay? Clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
Shiva, Raja, Nivas, Sandeep, MKV, PA.
Yes.
I'm clear.
Okay, simple.
Yeah.
So I'll just, give you a couple of examples I'll show you so that you guys are very much clear. Okay? First of all, see, this strategy really works. Okay? We have given webinar on this before also, and we have like around 300, 400 people we have given it. And few people are part of our basic to advanced course also, which are, regularly in interaction with us. Everybody is able to, use this strategy. It's all that you have to have a confidence on this, and you should use it correctly. If you don't use it correctly and then you say it is not working, it would be a very difficult situation. Okay, that's why I'm also sharing a recording with you. Have a perfection on it, and few minute things are there like RSI, trend of the moving average. You follow this and simply you'll get a very good risk reward. Risk reward is good, stop loss is small. It is a scalping strategy, and I personally believe in intraday scalping is the key. Okay, you cannot make money intraday if you're holding your position for very long time. For that purpose, if you really want to hold, for that purpose, BTST and swing trades are there. But if you want to do intraday, scalping is the key. You need to have a good scalping strategy.
मैंने देखा है कि मतलब एंट्री तो ठीक है, बट एग्जिट बहुत जरूरी रहता है. तो आपका व्यू क्या है? मतलब एग्जिट के लिए आपने बोल दिया 1.5, लेकिन बहुत बार ऐसा होता है 1.5 अगर हम दिमाग लेके चल रहे हैं और स्टॉक कई बारी तक 1.7 तक चला जाता है.
That's true. See, in that case, see, your target is 1:5. Okay, we have made a strategy on that. After that, let it go to 5x. Also, we are not considering. Okay, that you can do. Or if you are, if you have experience or you have taken good amount of quantity, then you can always try a 50% profit and all those things. But if you just see long run, you will always feel that if you trail also you are getting that much profit. If you book at first target also you are getting that much profit. So there could be scenario, right? So overall it's upon you. If you want to trail, you see the market is very bearish and you have found a good stock, so you can trail your positions. Or let's say you have taken 4 entries, in 2 you have good profit. Okay, in the third one also again you are getting the target, so there you can take an extra bit of risk of trailing.
So trailing के कुछ rules है क्या आपके, मतलब जैसे?
So trailing का first rule is that you have to always try to get your first target. Okay, after that you can keep your stop loss at cost. Okay, or book 50% profit, 50% quantity में book profit. that you can do. Okay. Or if you are having, let's say you have 100 quantities, 60 may you book profit at first target, and then 40% quantity which you have, look for bigger target of like 2x target pay you can book, 2.5 pay you can book. Okay. That you can do. You should have a back of your mind the strategy. These are a couple of things which everybody follows. Okay, this is not a rocket science. After target one, you have two options. Either you can keep your stop loss at the entry, or what you can do, you can book 50% profit and then hold. These are the two options which you have, right? Or the third, what you can do is you can keep trailing complete quantity. So it depending upon you how you do it. Okay, right? That you can do. And then if you want to have a view also, just pick up a, let's see if you have a PL. PL is a stock which deals in which category? In which category this deals? PL deals with multiple businesses. Pharma is the main business of that company. So if you overall check up pharma is bearish, then you can take the extra bit of risk. If you have an entry in steel, if the metal is weak, take extra bit of risk. Those things you can do. If Nifty overall is weak, then you can again have a view that things you can follow.
कबीर जी आपके कोई स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक है क्या?
Yes, Reliance में this works very much finely, so you can use that. Okay, I'll just show you in Reliance. Okay, we get multiple entries in Reliance. Here, one more thing I'll tell you. Okay, pick up stocks which have good amount of volumes. Don't pick up first of all penny stocks like 40-50 rupees wale, because their move is not clear. We need a clear move. Okay, upper circuit, lower circuit stocks are there, right? Have you seen upper circuit, lower circuit stocks which are either always at upper circuit or always at lower circuit? Right?
उसमें भी नहीं लेना ना?
We never take it. You will not get an entry, you will not get a pattern. Okay, pick up, like you can initially start with Nifty 200 stocks. Nifty 200 or Nifty 50, Nifty 100 you take. Okay, if you take Nifty 100 also, these are stocks which generally have good amount of volumes. Okay, the move is clear. You can just simply write Nifty 100 and you'll get good list. From this you can pick the stocks. And here also remember, don't pick up 50, 100 rupees wale stocks. Pick up a stock whose value is at least 250, above 250 or so. Okay. This point clear, everybody? Nivas,
yes.
Raja.
Yes.
These are small things you need to have. Okay. Somebody has asked
for intraday, more volume should be there.
Yes. Okay. Exactly. The volume should be there, and that can only be found out if you pick up, Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 50 stocks or so, because they have good amount of, good move, volatility is there, so it will work. If you pick up a, penny stock like 18 or so, you are doing a big mistake. Don't do it. Even if you get any kind of entry. This point, write it down somewhere or keep it in your mind very much clearly. All right. So this is the thing. So I'll just show you Reliance. Reliance may we get many times multiple entries. Okay, in a day in Reliance, because being one of a good stock, it gives a clear move. So Reliance may you can keep on tracking based on the move, and you can do it. This slope should be very much clear. If you look at here, the slope is clear now. Look for a good candle which is fulfilling your condition. RSI should be around 50 and it should be falling from top. And then if you find a candle, you can take it. Okay.
कभी जी दिन में कितने एंट्री आप रेकमेंड करते हो?
Initially start with first of all practice it. उसके बाद you can take 4 entries in a day. Okay, that is what we look for. If you
any
see
specific time,
morning is good. Okay, before like around 11:30 is a good time, and after in the last 1.5 hour. In between is not the time to take trade. Okay. Again, I repeat the time before 11:30 is a good time for trading. Volatility is good. The move is clear. That is the good time, or in the second half after 1:30 or 1:45 that you can do. So that you can do. See, if you just look at here also there is a strong candle, right? Yes.
Slope is a bit bullish.
So this is like a block candle. If you see the slope also here, it was flat and now it is rising. Almost the slope is turning up. Okay. So if you get this also, you can consider, because size is good. A lot of small candles were there, and then the perfect block has happened. Block candle is an indication of a good buy, and it is this moving average is also turning a bit. RSI is around 50. So you can consider again 1:1.5 risk reward you have to follow. Okay. Here you can take, and like that you can find in many stock. I think
तो ऐसे लोग कबीर जी
Grasim, I think we had an entry few days back. We got these stocks in our screeners. Okay, so the ones which I am telling you, these stocks were from our screeners, so I remember the name. So if you see Grasim also, here there is a perfect block, right? Downward slope. Yes. Downward slope, yes or no?
Yes.
Clearly downward.
Block candle, minute lower shadow, RSI around 50, falling from the top. So you can consider. Okay, slope is very much important.
कबीर जी watch list छोटा करो ना.
Price went down. Somebody's mic is on.
कबीर जी mic sorry, watch list छोटा करो ना.
What?
आपका स्क्रीन जो है आधा वॉच लिस्ट में ही छुपा हुआ है, उसको छोटा कर दो.
The reason is to I'm giving you an idea that you should see the half stream. Okay, you can do it like this. Okay, so no, you don't have again the same thing. For the meeting can end in 10 minutes. I have to still cover the stock selection part, so we'll join back again. Okay. So if you just look at here, now the screen is full. There is an entry, here. There is an entry here. Here also you can see the RSI has come around 50. Somebody's mic is on, muted. Okay. So if you see here, also the RSI value is around 50. Slope is clearly downward. You can take a trade here. This is also having a very minute lower shadow. Here also, there is a candle, perfect block candle, and RSI value is again, falling from 50. Here also you can consider falling from top. All right, like that you can do it. In VDL we had a couple of very good entries. So if you see here, VDL is on the chart, right? VDL may, if you see, the slope is downward. So if you should get an entry where the RSI value is around 50 and you get a block candle. If you see here also there is a block, right? But it is very much far. So here also you will get sometimes target, but it is a little riskier entry. It depends upon you how you take it. Okay. If you just remember 22nd May metal sector was completely bearish. Do you guys saw?
Yes.
Right. So if overall sector is bearish, then you can take this extra bit of risk, because there is a good candle. RSI is, this moving average slope is downward, but RSI value it has been straight. If you see, it is straight, not around 50, not falling from 50. But when you have a view, you can take that extra bit of risk. Okay, because you are following the trend. When you follow the trend, most of the time you get what you look for. Likewise, you can always, you'll be able to find good entries. Simply follow the trend. Here, if you see the RSI is falling from the top, there is again a candle. This has a little big shadow. Okay, but like that, you'll be able to find. All right, one more thing here I'll tell you. There could be scenarios of huge gap up, gap downs. Yes? Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
Hello? So because of gap ups and gap downs, this moving average ka slope changes a lot. Because there is a huge change in the first gap up, gap down. So that time be little cautious. Okay? Let the price stabilize. Okay? Don't be in a hurry like this. In case if you see here, there is a gap down. So slope will automatically give you a downward slope. So in that time, be a little smart and don't take trading panic. This you keep in mind. If there is a gap up also, slope will directly change towards upside. So be a little cautious that time. What happens is after gap down, price rises. After gap up, the price falls. So these are normal scenarios. So be a little cautious that time and ignore, first 5 to 10 minutes, which are very much volatile. After that, price stabilizes, and then you can clearly trade in the direction of the trend through moving average and through price action based pattern. Okay, everybody clear with this? I've told simple points. If you have, keep it in mind and watch the recording, you'll be able to follow it. Yes, any doubt before I go to the stock selection part? Ashish, Raja, Sandeep,
So,
MKV.
This is only for stock, not for options, right?
Okay. Let me complete the stock selection. If you want to apply this into options, stock options may apply karna hai based on the cash chart, you can apply it. Okay? Simple rule. Simply follow the price action or things which we have discussed for stocks and apply it in options. Okay? Directly don't apply these indicators on the option chart. It will not work. Apply it in cash chart and you can take trading option. When it comes to index, there are a few modifications we do. Okay, instead of 5 minutes, we use 3 minutes there because index is very much volatile. And then you can apply these indicators on index options, ATM. ATM, you understand?
At the money.
At the money, okay, that you can do. I'll share the recording for the option webinar. You'll be able to easily catch this up. Okay, slight changes there. 5 minutes ki place mein we use 3 minutes. That's it. And we apply to ATMs. After the webinar, each of you just share your email IDs with me and I'll share the record. Okay.
जो ऑप्शन का आपने लिया हुआ सेमिनार का रिकॉर्डिंग भेजोगे
राइट ठीक है ऑप्शंस का वेबिनार है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग आई शेयर यू बी एबल टू
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है मतलब अगर आप मंडे को या ट्यूसडे को हम 10 लोगों का अगर लाइव ट्रेडिंग करवाते हैं तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा लाइव मार्केट में
राइट सी मंडे को व्हाट यू गाइस डू यू गाइस apply this okay and share the examples in the group or you can send it to me directly okay because I'm also doing trading and all so in that time if I do it simultaneously it would be very much difficult okay
Kabir, one quick question. So
please
how
answer.
do we, so there are so many stocks, right? How
That's
do we
what
identify
we are going back to the stock selection now. We'll do stock selection. Okay. Stock selection we'll cover now. That is your question, right?
Yes, yes. How do we identify which one is coming closer to EMA, RSI?
Yes. For that purpose, we use a screener. Okay. I'll just take you guys through that. And I'll share those screener with you. You can simply use it for selecting the stock. Okay. So, right. So for stocks, first of all, I'll explain you the screeners, but before that also there are a few techniques which will help you in finding out stocks, okay, apart from the screener. You should not solely depend upon the screeners. So there are a few more things which I'll just tell you, okay, which you can use to find out good trending stocks. Okay, for intraday, if you find out a good trending stock, eventually you'll be able to catch up the move, right? For that purpose, you need to have a first of all understanding of Nifty. You guys have an understanding how Nifty moves. You guys can certainly check up, right? How Nifty is opening up, positive, negative, yes. These things you can follow, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. So just let me tell you a few things, how it can be done. See, Nifty may there are few things which you guys have to, simply follow. If I just show you Nifty chart. Don't look 5 minutes, you'll be confused. Okay? To have a view, we don't use a smaller time frame. Use a bigger time frame. Okay, so just look at here. So if you see on 21st, Nifty opened gap up. Okay, don't get confused in this gap up opening. Everything will look positive, but from the top there would be fall. Okay, so that's why you have to check up Nifty. If Nifty is falling from the right, falling from the top, stocks will give you a move. This moving average will be looking like it is rising, but all the stocks will fall because there is sell from rise happening in Nifty. This you guys have to little bit have an understanding. Nifty direction is important. If you try to take trade with the direction of overall market, you will be able to pick up good stocks. You already have a view, bearish side or buy side. When you have a view, you'll be able to pick up, because screeners, we have couple of screeners, few are for buy, few are for sell, but then you will have to decide, right, which one you have to pick up. If you take with the direction of overall market, it is again will add to your accuracy. These things you understand. If Nifty has opened gap up and rising from the fall, Nifty, most of the stocks will be bearish. Similarly, there could be scenarios when little gap down has happened and then the price is rising. And one more thing, what you can do is just go to NSE website, overall Nifty direction, you can get it from here. In pre-market, you can check up how much advances, declines are there. And when the market is running, again, you can check up how much advances and decline is there. So you'll get overall idea in where overall roughly market is going. These things you can do. Everybody has an idea, right, regarding this?
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
just go to, whenever market is running, just have a look at the advances and declines. So you have a rough idea where the majority is. Okay. From here, we get a lot of things to understand. If I just, click here, percentage change. Now, if you see, this Hindalco is here, right? Coal India is here, Tata Consumer, Divis Lab, Wipro.